Assalamu alaikum. Today we will learn that how to enter the data in a table, how to format the table, how to apply the different formulas in any table. Okay, let's. I have already entered the data because it takes a few minutes. That's why I already have entered the data. Now you select all the cells. First, I will delete this one. Now you select all the cells. First, we format this table. Okay. All these cells, go to home, then go to all borders, select it. Okay, make the headings bold, change its font size to 20. Okay, for 20 change its writing style to Arial black. For example, we are going to change it as Arial black. Similarly, change the font size as you can clearly see, 24. Now centralize the data. I have centralized the data. Okay, what you do, you just select these cells and then continue. Automatically the numbers will be generated. Okay, now in activity 2 of chapter 8, chapter 3, sorry, you have to find the, you have to insert the bar chart. But first of all, I will tell you how to apply the different formulas. First of all, we will see that how to apply the formula of total. For example, I am going to calculate the total overs, total scores, total. Now look at here, I will apply the formula is equal to. Now, first of all, see the address of this cell is B2. The address of this cell is B5. Column number is B. Column name is B, and row number is 5. So we have to find the total from B2 to B5. We will write is equal to sign is compulsory. Then write in capital sum. After writing capital sum, start the parenthesis sign. You just click the cell from where you are going to start to find the sum or total. Just click here right from the keyboard, then press the sign of colon from the keyboard. Again press in the cell or just write B5 or just click here, it will automatically return. Now press enter. You can see that it is the total when the total of these 4 columns, 4 cells, sorry. So the formula is displayed on this formula bar, and where I have applied the formula, this one is the B6, is address is displayed here. Okay guys, now see that I want to drag this formula in all the cells. I will not write here formula again, I will not write here formula again, I will just select this cell and drag this formula in all the cells. Okay, now you can see that formula is applied. We will also change its font size to 24, and we will select is centralized. Okay, now we will continue to find the average. How to find the average? Average, average. How will you find average? Similarly, we will write, we have to find the average from this cell to this cell. Okay, we will find average is equal to AVE. Just write in capital, select from here, select average, select in the first cell from where you will start to apply the formula, apply the colon sign, insert the colon sign, then write the B5, just click here B5 or close the parenthesis. Now the formula of average is applied. You can see the formula. Now I will press enter key. As soon as I will press enter key, it will find the average. Now I will drag this formula. You can apply here and drag on this side. You can apply the formula on this side and drag it to the other sides. You can apply the formulas row wise and you can apply the formulas column wise. Now we will find next, just again change its size or I'm just changing its size for your convenience so you can see it easily. Otherwise, we can format the table at the end when we will complete it. Okay, see next. We are going to formula the minimum. How we can find the minimum? Again, we will write here equal to MIN minimum, parenthesis sign, formula from where we want to apply the address of that cell, then apply the colon sign, then again click here B2 to B5. Look, I have applied. Now it is minimum, or minimum in these 4 cells is 5. So it has displayed the answer result 5. I will drag the formula in the rest of cells, 3 cells. No need to write the formulas again and again. Similarly, I will find the maximum maximum. Okay. Similarly, I will write here is equal to maximum max. For maximum, we will write max. Start the parentheses, the cell address of the this cell, colon sign, the address of next cell. Close the parentheses, enter. Now you can see that we have find the minimum of these 4 cells. Okay. Similarly, we will drag the formula in the rest of cells. Again, we will select the table. We will just format it once. Actually, select all the cells, select centralize the data, select the font size as 24, or change the, for example, if you want to change the background color of this overs column, you can change its light yellow. For example, you want to change the background of this column, you can change it as pink. You can change the color of this column. I have few issues with my mouse, that's why not easy with my mouse. We will again drag it. Okay, see, we can select this column and we can change its color like light blue. Okay, we can select this column, we can change its color, any color that you like, light gray, light blue, or light purple. Okay, we have changed the background colors as well. No, the other one point is we have centralized the data. The other one point is if we can insert any chart by selecting the data. Just you select the data. Select if we want to insert a line chart, for example, between the team 1 and team 2, or select the team 1 and team 2, or just select the overs, and here we will make the no, we will select the data till here. Now go to insert, go to charts, bar chart, line chart. We will insert line charts. Which form of a line chart we want to insert? We can choose any that we want. It is inserted. This one chart is inserted. Okay. You can resize it. You can make big, small, whatever you want. Move this chart. Down to the table. Resize it. Now we have created a chart as well. We have applied. Now what we have learned in today's activity, we have changed the background colors. We have changed the We have done the formattings with the tables by changing its font size and style. Next, we have applied the formula of total, sum, average, minimum, maximum, and we have applied the bar chart. Similarly, line chart. Similarly, you can insert the other chart, whatever you want. Just you will click to insert, click to pie chart, bar chart, area chart. But first of all, you have to select the columns and rows with which you are going to apply the charts. Then you can go to insert and then you can apply the formula. You can insert the chart. Okay, thank you. I hope so आपको activity समझ आ गई होगी. And girls, please practice activity 6 and the rest of activities if you can do. Thank you.